This little bag is worth a lot of money. These are called transfer screws, and I'm gonna put them out here on this paper so you guys could see it. Change the angle on the camera, and as soon as Honey gets out of the way. So there's a set of 13 of these. Inside are these screws, and they're called transfer screws. Every one of them is filled with them. To be honest with you, I'm not 100% sure what these do, but the best part is, guys, this set of these 13 screws was free, absolutely free. The reason why, we bought a toolbox full of tools, and Nick was able to separate these from the toolbox, and we bought the toolbox for like peanuts, really $10 with some miscellaneous tools in them. And this was inside. Well, guess what, how much this sold for? Some very crazy money. This is what they look like. 13 different sizes, $120 plus $7 shipping. Just amazing. You always got to pay attention to the stuff that you have in those toolboxes. Individual tools. Sometimes you'll find a single small wrench from a Snap-on that will sell for 20 bucks. Or all kinds of different measuring tools that Machinist used, and they can be worth a lot of money. So what a wonderful surprise and fantastic flip. How can you go wrong? From 0 to 120. Love it. Right, baby? You love it?